I honestly hadn't heard of Yiddish. I mean, I'd heard of Yiddish, but I didn't really know it as Yiddish until then, if that makes sense. Like, you hear Yiddish words all the time, just around because they float around and they're very complainy and people always say them without really thinking about them. But I didn't really understand them, I suppose. My one Jewish friend would always use them. She would describe people as svelte. Bagel, Jewish word, but I didn't know that until after I took Yiddish. I don't know. It just seems like, oh, I do remember reading an article about UVA, something about UVA, and they had used a Yiddish word, which I can't remember what it was, but I remember being like, that's not English, but I've heard that, but that's not English, but it makes perfect sense. So I just feel like it's unknowingly ingrained in certain things, like schmutz or schmitzing and things like that. You just say them and you don't really think about it.